Unlike the previous question, even though these choices are still changing the words in the choices and making us choose different words, it's not so much that like one is shorter than the others, like yes, like C I guess is a little bit shorter, but it's marginal compared to what we saw before. Here the bigger issue is let's just make sure we're using the appropriate kind of language to write an essay like you would for school. And words fall on a scale. They can either be too slangy or too pedantic, which means the opposite of slang, right? It's too fancy for its own good. And what we want is words that are in the middle, words that are academic, words that are smart enough that they can appear in a paper for school, but not so smart that no one's going to know what you're talking about if you use them. So we don't have any issues here with words that are too pedantic, I hope, right? All of these should be familiar words to you, words that you might use yourself. They're all fine. They're not overly fancy. But we have some absolutely terrible choices that are too slangy, right? Losing their charm, are no good anymore, get old and worn out. These are things that you might say, and they fit the meaning of what we're trying to say, I guess. But like, I don't know, it's kind of weird to just like say your workers are no good anymore. Like, it's not professional. And obsolete is an academic word. It fits perfectly for what we want. It's a smart enough word that, you know, you're probably not using it every day in your life, but you would use it for a paper because you know what it means, hopefully, and it fits the meaning. So it's useful in this way of saying a skill has become obsolete. So yeah, that's the best fit. This is not about the length of the choice, even though that is the shortest one. This is about the appropriateness of the word for an academic essay. So this is a good way to judge it. Words tend to fall on the scale, and we really prefer to fall right in the middle, words that are academic. Not too fancy and not too unfancy.